Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Cadillac ATS battery, updated. Disconnect the negative terminal first and secure the car to avoid movement. Open the hood, remove the battery cover, and clear any nearby wiring. Unbolt the hold-down clamp, then disconnect positive and negative terminals, lifting the battery straight up to avoid tipping. Clean the tray and terminals, apply dielectric grease, position the new battery, tighten clamp to spec. Reconnect terminals, and verify proper startup and charging. In this video, I will show how to change Cadillac ATS battery, updated. Gather a 10 mm wrench, socket set, wire brush, terminal grease, and gloves before you begin. Use a memory saver or note radio and ECU settings to preserve stored data. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove any plastic covers. Check battery tray for corrosion and clean thoroughly. Install the new battery securely, reconnect terminals snugly, and start the engine to confirm charging function. In this video, I will show how to change Cadillac ATS battery, updated. Quick recommendation: if you like reading during wait times, the Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight, has a built-in light, and stores thousands of manuals and how-to guides. It's comfy in hand and perfect for service bays or waiting rooms. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Cadillac ATS battery, updated. Start by loosening terminal bolts and removing the negative cable first to prevent shorts. Remove the positive cable next, then unfasten the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up and out. Inspect and clean the battery tray and terminal posts with a wire brush, clearing corrosion thoroughly. Fit the new battery, tighten the clamp to factory torque, reconnect positive then negative, and run the car to verify electrical systems operate normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.